What we're gonna do. Bitcoin, what the hell, man? That thing cannot stop. But hey, that's cool. Good job, Dogecoin. Yeah, yeah. Love it. Just getting it really is unbelievable. It's like the best performing thing across like all cryptos right now. I mean, what you got Chili's, ETC's actually been doing really good, but I mean, on the 7 day, let's see. Yeah, 437% in the week. ETC coming close, and a lot of them in the 30-ish to 50 range. But man, what the hell? $43 billion market cap. Look at this too. It's almost double the volume just today traded alone. That is super crazy. Oh man, this is bananas. Anyway, what's going on? Welcome to the show. It's your boy Z-Rex. No Noiz. We're live today for the end of the day wrap up for Friday. It's April 16, 2021. And Dogecoin is the new Bitcoin. So everyone's talking about it. It's like all my damn YouTube suggestions are like Doge. Just last night it was like half of them were literally like people live talking about how they're Doge, what is it, Shiba millionaires or whatever. Oh man, pretty awesome, good stuff. That's for sure. Love it. It's a beautiful day for the Dogecoin hodlers. Who'd ever thunk we'd already be at, what are we at? 33 cents. Jesus. I mean, we're just cutting through these damn fib extensions like butter. The next one's all the way up at 58 cents-ish. We got kind of close on this wick here. Is it going to keep going there? I don't know, maybe. But let's start off how we usually do with the market cap and Mama Bear, and we'll work our way down to Mr. Shiba. All right. Bitcoin getting a little bit heavy here. It did bounce off of the 60K-ish area. So far, it looks pretty good reaction, but it is a little bit heavy for sure. Kind of lost its momentum here after getting rejected at this extension at about 65K. Getting some wicks deep down below 61,000. And bears actually are dominant again on the DMI. So that's interesting. Could that easily be faded and reversed? Yeah, it could be, but it usually does take a little bit of time for that to be resolved. So you can see back here when it first took over a little bit, it took, what is this, about a week or so to resolve the pattern before continuation to the upside. Same over here, about a week or so. Same, actually kind of, it tried to do it in about a few days, but ultimately rejected. So we do have a little bit of a weight on Mama Bear right now. Let's see if futures agree with that. Futures are also agreeing with the heaviness and breaking this trend line on the futures. So that's not very good. I don't really like that for Bitcoin. It looks like a lot of the altcoins aren't really liking it either. Yeah, BCH, holy shit, is over $1,000, just blowing past that about $1,000 target. Pretty impressive. This is just insanity. But I am a little bit concerned about the Bitcoin price action here. This isn't what we really want to see. It's okay. It's bouncing off this in the future, so it looks okay. But this is kind of like this could be a start of something not very sexy here. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm not a huge fan. Let's see what happens this weekend. Maybe we'll get a nice traditional Saturday sell-off and buy in the late evening of Saturday. That seems to be happening a lot in this bull market where they try to push price down on Saturday and it just gets reversed late nights and early morning Sunday. So maybe we're setting up for something like that. But this is definitely noteworthy price action. We've already created a little trend line right here. Oh, let's do, that's not the same color. We kind of do that bluish color. I like to try to keep them similar. So kind of and the apex points right at 60K from the long-term trend line. This is like the macro trend line here, this blue one on the bottom, this supply line. This is the major one. We do not want to break that guy. But yeah, so Bitcoin showing a little bit of weakness on the lower time frames. On the daily, it still looks okay, but you can see we're struggling and we're getting rejected. See, this sucks too. We were talking about this a few days ago. We're coming right up into the trend line on RSI too. And yes, you can do trend lines on the oscillators, especially RSI, and kind of getting rejected so far. Maybe we get caught right here around the 58-ish area for some just consolidation and continuation. But yeah, Bitcoin's got a little bit of pressure on it. How about ETH? ETH a little bit too, not as bad though. Bears aren't dominant on the low time frame, and they still look perfectly fine on the daily as long as this thing is really holding like 24 hundo. Still looks okay. Just a little concerning of these dips, but it's all right. It's just, man, it's just getting real hard to hodl up here and play this game. I don't know if y'all been around for a while, but man, it's definitely not easy to hold and not take your profits when this shit just keeps going up and up. So, but kind of keeping it simple as long as it's above 2,400. We can start getting some closes below 2,400. I'd start to get pretty concerned as well on Ethereum. So not too shabby. Litecoin. Damn, Litecoin is defying the market here a little bit. Pumpity pumping past the target. So this thing actually is getting into super bull mode. Kind of above this 290 area. Looks great. That's set up for continuation. Ripple kind of getting a little heavy. Lost its trend line here. Next support is about 138. You can see it pretty much did go there on this tail, on this candle, with an immediate reaction. So that's a pretty good reaction so far. Anything back below like 155 probably retest this area down here. So far, though, it looks all right. XLM, little pressure. Yeah, kind of rounded top, kind of head and shoulders-esque. Anything back below, yeah, 56 cents is a little concerning. Looks like the momentum short term is kind of just taking a little breather here. Dailies still look great on a lot of these coins, so just a little consolidation, maybe setting up for some opportunity zones for us. Ooh, DOT this is kind of killed DOT a little bit. I guess the only thing it keeps bouncing off this $40 range. DOT's making it kind of hard here on a read. I actually don't really like this chart on DOT. Something kind of stinks about this. Yeah, and crack time frames just flip back bearish, although that doesn't mean a whole lot, but you can see it kind of creeping in. Let's see if this thing can hold 40. As long as it's holding like 39, 40 bucks, it's okay, but it is starting to look a little bit sloppy. Linky. Almost hit the target yesterday at 48. I mean, pretty damn close. Daily still looks okay. Starting to lose a little bit of momentum on the 3 hour, but as long as it's above like 39 bucks, I mean, this thing looks fine. There's nothing too crazy about it. Maybe like 35 on the daily, but on the shorter time frames is about $38. Looks like we're all kind of taking a break here across the board. Coming back to test the previous breakout zone, and we do have two tails of candles in there. They are getting bid back up above these bodies, so that's kind of sexy for that, but pretty neutral on this low time frame here. Daily still looks okay. It's kind of struggling a little bit after these mega pumps. Man, BCH blowing past the $1,000 target. I mean, as long as this thing's above like 950 to 1,000, this is pretty damn bullish. I mean, just this thing respected the TA like the Jesus man, broke out of our consolidation box here, came up, retested it, and it's been moon time ever since. I guess everything's in the moon mode though right now, to be fair. So BSV, look at this, coming up to the middle, our next target area around 400K. Now is it going to find it as support? I mean, above 380-ish? Man, is this thing really going to go test the upper end of this range? It does kind of look like it wants to. So we've kind of been preparing for on here for a while. Ever since pretty much we've been talking about that for the last couple weeks, that if we get above the middle part of this channel, that becomes a very probable scenario. Let's see if the daily can close above it. That would be a lot most sexy. EOS, $8 is grinding up too. Consolidating at the next target and almost just engulfing the price action at the next target. This is usually very bullish. Above 740 on this looks pretty damn sexy. Next target's like $12. So, I mean, this market is absolute bananas. Losing 720, then I'd start to be a little bit concerned. But this consolidation right here, getting bid back up by the EMAs, I mean, this looks pretty damn good. One of the better looking charts. XMR kind of struggling to get above its target here. Almost there, like 350-ish. Yeah, it's not really doing shit. Maybe it starts getting above there this weekend or something, but pretty damn sloppy. Just consolidate it in this range. We really got to get out of this stupid little range here to really get any edge. So maybe buying dips is okay for, since everything's kind of bullish, you know. So buying some dips possibly on this guy on the lower end of this box wouldn't be too terrible, but kind of just being a little slow. Zcash coming up over its target. Looks pretty good above 250. Let's see if these dailies can close above the target ranges on quite a few of these coins. Dash just exploding today. That slow grind playing yesterday, flirting with a little double top, and today just blowing right past it. Holy shit, guys. This is just so crazy. I mean, what out of this pattern, what is a 618 extension? Let's see here. About 464. And then 2618. And then the 2. Yeah, so here's some targets here. I mean, holy crap, that would be bananas. But Dash, you know, it could happen. I think Dash has more history on it. Let me go find something on Polo. Should have it. Yeah, all-time high, about $1,000. Oh, right where this line, where that 2 is. So, man, yeah, we're looking at about between 5 and 600 probably is the next target on this guy. Woohoo! All right, Doge, all the way to 730 sats, y'all. It is getting pretty monkey hammered right now. Not surprisingly, though, Doge is going to dump in everybody's face here. And it kind of looks like it already is today, off 34% off of its highs. Let's zoom in on the crack time frames. When was this? 8 in the morning, got real excited, and then it's been giving it up since then. Let's go to the dollar pairing. Coming back to support, test the support here. Man, at 30 cents, is this an opportunity for Doge here? Maybe. I mean, dude, it's so hard to, like, buy this stuff. But, I mean, this is a good retest of the support level. So, I mean, it might not be too bad of a spot right here. Because at least you can define the risk pretty easily. I mean, anything back below probably like 29 cents is gonna get pretty ugly, and definitely back below the crack time frame 200 simple will probably get pretty ugly too. So let's see here. Will it bounce? Will it bounce? Maybe. Definitely could from right here. I could totally see that happening. It's so crazy, dude. The Doge is 30-something cents. Is this thing really going to go to $1? I mean, at this point, why not? I mean, Jesus Christ. I sold most of mine at the when it pumped up here to 30. Actually, I think I took all of it off when it pumped up to 30. And then late last night, I stayed up kind of late, and I was like, looked at the chart and was like, oh, whoa, holy moly. But you won't ever sell the exact top or buy the exact bottom, so it's all good as long as you're making money. Some traders I know, they're usually never in trades. They wait for very specific setups, and then they just go kind of large and on really low risk setups and just try to capture like a smaller move. So I guess I kind of did that with Doge. I took off the position here, waited for the consolidation, and then re-added when it started coming back over 15 cents, and then I took off the rest here, and then now I'm just kind of chilling. I'm just waiting. I did just buy this dip a little bit on this retest of this trend line just now. Just a little, just kind of seeing what's up. Because, I mean, retesting here isn't too bad. It is a little bit heavy on the crack time frames, but, I mean, every other time frame, it still looks pretty damn good. How's the weekly going to close on this thing? Oh, my God. Insanity. Doge sanity, man. So, yeah, I'll re-enter on Doge on this trend line and kind of play the same way I did down over at the 15-ish cent level. And maybe we get another pump to the next target. I don't know. We do have this little trend line right here. And then, or is this more like a channel? It's kind of like a channel, actually, it looks like. Let's see if we can draw that bitch on here. And then we need to get over to equities. Yeah, it is kind of like a channel, a down sloping channel here, which is generally a bullish pattern, to be fair. Oh, holy crap, bouncing like the Jesus man off that low there. Nice. I'll take it. Give it to me. All right, let's see here. Oh, yeah, very sexy. I like that reaction. Let's go. Let's go. Up almost already a penny or 2 pennies off that low. I like. So, super sexy. Looks like I wasn't the only one that had that idea. Buy it on that low, but yeah, just kind of watching this crack time frame, see what we do in this channel. We bust back out of this channel, back above like 35-ish cents, man. And then next target's probably 40, and then we probably will keep running after that. I mean, this is just Doge sanity, baby. All right, ES, let's get to traditionals. Still grinding it up. Man, sloppy open today. Just cluster effing around. And then it eventually came out of its cluster effing. I mean, this is almost a slow grind and almost all the way to the top of our range here. So we're getting real close. Will we get some resistance up here? Probably. But is there resistance anymore? Obviously I'm kidding, but, you know, whatever. All right. Looks pretty good above this. I mean, whatever. This looks fine above 13.8. I like it. YM, almost hitting our target, 34.2. Looks pretty good. It's all good. What are you going to do? Bullish above 34,000. I mean, it's just easy peasy. All right, Russell still flagging, making this nice pattern. It is making lower highs, though. It's like symmetrical triangle, pennant flagging up here. Still looks good. I'm holding long, still on rut. And we're just going to kind of wait and see what happens with that. I might take it off this week at the close here in about 30 minutes. I'm not sure yet. Kind of just holding on and seeing what's up for now. Because it does have a pretty good sexy setup on here. A lot of times I don't like to hold into the weekend price action, though. Dow Jones actually giving some follow-through, making a little bit higher wick today, so that's nice. I do like that. Let's see here. VIX just getting more monkey hammered, and VIX can't get no love. VVIX is still staying bid, though. This is so interesting to me. We've talked about it a lot. VVIX is showing us that there's something potentially around the corner here. Oil kind of struggling. Little flat day kind of today. Looks like just kind of boring. Consolidation. Bonds selling off a little bit. Not a surprise from that target. Maybe re-opportunity zone here. We were talking about possibly getting one of those today. I took all my bond positions off yesterday on that nice run, and it looks like, yeah, we might actually have a repositioning spot for bonds here. Interesting. Interesting. So bonds might be in there. Notes, same thing. TNX came up to the bottom end of the box. Rejection so far. So that's good for bonds. Dixie getting a little bit more push. Man, Dixie's kind of just floating down more. Wow, surprising on the dollar there. Yeah, pretty ugly. Last of the Mohicans on this is about 91.20 on the short time frames. Below that, you know, it's going to 91.30 really. Below that, you know, it might start breaking down pretty hardcore. Euro staying bid up. I've been thinking about shorting it, but haven't pulled the trigger yet because it's just consolidating right here above this. So I'm going to wait till next week on that. Oh, wow. DAX breaking out hardcore today. Wow. After this consolidation, dude, this probably means the market's going to keep going up. Holy shit balls, dude. My God. This is just ridiculous. I'm going to zoom back over to Doge real quick. See if this candle ends up turning into a basing candle. Let's see if it does. Let's see if it does. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We'll just wait a little bit longer on that. DAX, man. Nice close on DAX. Maybe this might bode well for me holding my rut position into next week because this is beast mode. Shanghai bouncing off this here too, so that looks pretty good. It's just stuck in this stupid consolidation range. I mean, there's not really much you can do until it really gets out of this box. You can range trade it, obviously, but I'm not huge on the range trading. I'd rather just wait for a confirmation of these zones and then take a position afterwards. Gold still getting follow through. Look at this, guys. We're getting above the trend line. Gold is looking so sexy. Came back, tested the previous resistance level, respected it like the Jesus man, and now is having continuation. This is a beautiful, beautiful chart. Let's see if the daily can close above that. And we start making closes above this guy next week. I would not be surprised to see gold in the mid 1800s. Looks good. Silver looking pretty good. Tagged the horizontal. It's not above it, so it's got a little more work to do. But EMAs and all that look very sexy. Really got to get above this 26.5 level though. Platinum also looking very sexy. Finding resistance here on the 377 short-term time frame EMAs, but it's shaping up to be pretty awesome. Looks like metals are getting ready for another big move. Man, palladium is just ripping face off. It looks like it's heading straight to that 2900 target. I don't have any problems with this chart yet. It looks super bullish above 26.5-ish. Coming up to all-time high right now at about 2800. So pretty damn close. I don't see anything really stopping this target. All right. Let's go look at some stuff, see if I'm man, there's a lot of shit getting monkey hammered kind of today. You know, 10-ish% monkey hammered, I guess. That's probably a strong word. 10% in crypto is not that much, you know, to be fair. But, let's see here. It's not that much. Yeah, not too bad. BlackBerry, I'm going to go to my... Oh, man. So I'm not really... Man, my futures position is saving the day here. What do I have that's hitting me? Oh, that stupid position. About to just peel that thing off because it's just so ugly. And what am I talking about? This shit I've been bitching about all day. It is right here at the bottom of this wick, so I'm not going to take this off in the hole. I should have already took it off probably when it failed this breakout. Actually, I don't even know when I've had this. It's kind of been a bitch thorn in my side at this point. I'll have to go do some analysis of why I even have this position on still. Anyway, I'm not going to let it go in the hole here. It's got to lose this wick here at about 90 cents. Then I'll let that thing go. But It did bounce off this tail here for the time being. Kind of crap though right there. All right, hold on here. Let me zoom in something. All right, I guess we can't do anything less than that. No. Oh yeah, we can. We just have to do. Yep, I likes that. I likes that. I likes that. It's incredible, man. Freaking Dogecoin, dude. Well, that exceeded our expectations, didn't it? Got some pretty good runs. PPLT looking good. Nokia slowly grinding up. I am really liking this chart, guys. The daily in another few days will also confirm the reset on the oscillators, but I'm seeing this first. I really like Nokia's chart here. I'm just going to hold the positions I have on that. I might even add a little bit to it. No, I'm not. I'm going to wait because we're right at resistance at that 420. I'm going to wait next week. If we get any more pullbacks, I'll add on to that. Let's see. What do I want to take off here? Anything? I might take off my Pfizer call. What am I in May? So it's only got 35 days left. Let's go look at Pfizer. Beautiful, beautiful run out of this thing, man. Pfizer just looking so damn sexy. I mean, this is like one of the sexiest charts we found about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, just beautiful chart. Beautiful chart. Where is our next major resistance point here? Probably actually about where we are now at this weekly spot here at 38. And then you can see all this support too and little pivot point on previous price action. So, you know, I think I'm actually probably going to put an order in to close this because I've got, I mean, I already did a 3-to-1 risk RR on this. So, yeah, I'm taking that off. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, so we're going to close that guy. See if we get filled at the mid price. Submit. Override. Nope, doesn't want to fill me at the mid price. Let's work it down a little bit because it's already kind of late, so I don't want to have to worry about this thing. 120. They don't want to fill me there. Come on. Oh, now the market maker's running it down a little bit. He don't want to let me out. Oh, I hate when they do this, dude. Sometimes I'll just cancel it and let it reset and then come back because they little bastards. All right, let's see. MindMed, is that one coming down? Almost gonna stop me out. We'll see. We're so damn close. That one and that BTAC one are the ones that are hitting me the hardest. All right, CRV, IOTA. Whoa, IOTA. Hey, hi-oh. IOTA. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see here. Do I have IOTA? Yeah, I got a little bit of IOTA left. I de-risked quite a bit the last yesterday on a lot of those pumps. Probably went to third cash of my crypto portfolio, so yeah, just kind of getting a little frothy up here. All right, let's see. All right, yeah, see, look, they redid the markets on it, and they put the bid back up a little bit. That's so funny. So now I'm just going to go in there and slap the ask because they were trying to walk it down while I was, little bastards. So now I'm just going to come in and slap that bitch. Slappity slap, son. Oh, man, they don't want to fill me? Why are they not filling me? Fill me. Give me a fill, Phil. Stop being a punk. All right, well, it doesn't want to give me a fill. I'm going to walk it down one more. All right, there we go. Just got filled on that, so I'm out of Pfizer. No more Pfizer. BlackBerry still being kind of shitty. All right, let's close that up. CGC, what is it doing? It's trying to base out here. 3 hour regained the RSI for the last couple days and kind of just hovering. So that's okay, actually. I kind of do like that at this zone for that to happen. And 7-minute crack time frames have actually flipped as well. So that's kind of cool. Oh, shit, I just got the hiccups. Riding at right at the bottom of this gap. So I actually kind of do like this this position here still. So let that ride. I got a bull call spread on that. SLV, do I want to take off? I'm probably going to take off my SLV trade just because of where we are on silver, kind of right at this rejection area. So I'm going to take that off too because it does have a lot of time in it though. Maybe I will leave it on because that one is a longer term play. I thought it was shorter term. Yes, I'm actually going to leave that on. Let's go to Russell. Do I need to peel my Russell off? What are you going to do, Rut? Yeah, I'm going to just peel it off here. We're already close to the end of the day. F it. I mean, it does look so good on this time frame, though. It looks so good. I just really feel like there's a big sell-off somewhere around the corner coming up. It's going to blindside everybody. It's just going to be like a random 10% out of nowhere day. I'd really think that that's in the cards right now. You know what? F it. It's already close to the end of the day. Let's just peel it off. I made a good trade on it, and it's at the upper end of the range. So, and technically, I mean, even though this is super, super bullish setup here, probably get an opportunity to buy it lower because it is in this... It is in this range right here, so just kind of watch that. Let's see. Just work that order. What else do we got? Yeah, no, nothing on that. Nokia's doing okay. PPLT, don't want to keep that one. Yeah, probably we'll just hold on to that. Smith & Wesson looks like it's kind of rallying a little bit today. Let's see, just a little bit coming off these lows. I really, really like this chart on Smith & Wesson. CWT, that water company, kind of just floating right at these highs, but it's like kind of retesting this breakout or previous attempted breakout zone. So I do kind of still like that. I'm just going to chill on that one. All right. All right. Anyway, let's just wrap it up. I don't know. So Bitcoin looks okay. It's getting a little heavy. I don't know. As long as it's holding 61,000, we don't get any body closes below 61. I mean, we did have this. It's like $10 or whatever. What $100, whatever. That doesn't really count. But we did have a decent reaction so far. But man, that 61 and 60K flat area is very important. And we don't want to see this start rolling over here either, which it kind of looks like it wants to. I don't know, man. Yeah, and futures are agreeing with it too. Yeah, Bitcoin's a little heavy. I mean, we haven't had a big dump in a while, man. Like, in Bitcoin, it hasn't really dumped at all in a month. Maybe last February was like the biggest one. We had a little 10% down day. So, yeah. In the money on the nuke. Oh, good. That'll clean up some of my shitty positions on there, so not too shabby. All right, hold on. What have we got here? Yeah, so a little bit heavy on the Bitcoin. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But it does seem a little bit definitely on the heavy side. Doge, what are you doing? Are you trying to defend this area still? Are you kind of rejecting it? It almost tried to, but now it kind of does look like it wants to get back below it. So good attempt on the crack time frames, but potentially getting rejected so far. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot I need to take off the, that never got filled. I must have barely missed the mark on it. What is it, 20? Whatever, I don't even care. Just send it in. Send. Give me a fill, Phil. Really? Why isn't it filling that? Fill it, dude. Why aren't you filling me? Oh my god, it's just like running away as I try to fill it, dude. Oh, Jesus. Alright. I'm out of that. No more futures. Just lock that in. Wait till next week. We'll reestablish something. Leaving Blackberry. Leaving Silver. Leaving CGC. I'm leaving BTAC. POW. What is POW doing right now? Actually, you know what? Let's go look in the orange list before market closes, see if there's anything. Oh, wow. MJ and A, dude. Just getting taken to the freaking shed, man. Jesus Christ. Also, GTT coming all the way down here. Hey, now it's like... now it might be an attractive buy, though. Doge got the zoomies? Yeah, it did. Yeah, this actually might look a little better. I don't know where boy Joe is at, but... Uh-oh, Doge rolling over here a little bit. They better hold that 30-cent level or I think it's going to get real ugly real fast for Doge. I could see it coming all the way down to the teens again pretty quickly because Doge is mean, dude. It's very nice, and then it's really mean. It's like a sweet Sour Patch Kid. Let's see. How much time do I got? About 12 minutes before the close. Let's see here. Adam's at an interesting spot at the very last of the Mohicans here. TRTC, kind of the same thing. HPI selling off. Man, CVSI also keeps selling off. No. Oh, look, fuel cells. Are they going to bounce right here? Okay, this is nice. This is a decent reaction on these fuel cell stuff. We've been talking about this for a little bit, that possibly the fuel cell sector might be showing a little bit. Yeah, look, see, plug is bouncing up here a little bit. So I do like that. I might go and see what kind of options this biatch has, because they've just been absolutely murder fest and kind of forgotten over the last couple months. Ah, dang it. I'm opening up the wrong chart. What happened here? Ah, what the fuck, man? Come on. Alright, let's see. F-cell. No, not two. Oh my god. I love interactive brokers, but I also freaking hate them. Alright. Let's look. F-cell, a little bit wide on the options. But they're tradable though. I might just go static on this. Yeah, I'm gonna nibble a little bit on this guy. 58.79, so probably right there. Let's go. Well, how many shares do I want to do? Let's do this many. Transmit, override, do that. 81. What are we at? 82. So that means basket's probably 83-ish. Oh, look, it's running away from me. Oh my god, really? Come the fuck on, dude. Are you kidding me? 88, look at this. It's just like literally going right away from me. Fucking lame. Whatever. Made me chase that one. Not get my favorite entry, but that's okay. What the fuck ever. It's like the market makers knew I was coming, man. They're taking me over, man. Alright, fuel cell gets upgraded to the red tag or flag. PPL, the accidental stock we found, is playing out very nice. Look at this. Reset on the daily. This is actually looking really good on the People Utilities Corp. XLV still kicking ass. Water XYL still kicking ass. That's still in its stupid range. GTT, this damn shit stock, is it at a good area here? Let's zoom out. We gotta go way out. Yeah, I mean, technically, I guess there is this big consolidation area right here, but I mean, this could easily dump into that. This is a pretty dangerous stock right here to play. It looks pretty damn heavy. But, I mean, it's just right on the line and right on this wick. So, if there was a good entry on this, this would probably be it. And I can't imagine that this has options on it. Maybe it does. Oh, wow, it actually does, which is pretty shocking. Now, they're very, very illiquid. Wow, how does this have options on it? That's fucking nuts. Let's see here. Yeah, it sure does. Wow. And they're actually, like, decent spreads. Ha! That's funny, dude. That is really funny. That's too funny, man. That is too funny. Who would have thunk it? Some stock like this has decent options on it. Yeah, let's just try it. Alright, let's see. What's APD doing? Had a really good chart. Man, continuation on this guy. This chart looks really damn sexy. This APD chart. Might see if they got any options on there. Yes, they do, but they are garbage. I mean, actually, they're okay, but nope. They're garbage. Too wide on that. Can't play that. Have to just go static on that guy. This one's attempting to reset right here. Getting above 713 would look pretty good. All right, what's Doge doing? We got to keep our eye on the Mr. Doge. Make sure it doesn't break that 30-cent level. And it's in this little falling pattern. You know, that's the technical term. Let's see. Add alert right here. Crossing down. I want to know. Yeah, I mean, this is a nice little falling channel. These generally are bullish once they break out of the upside. A lot of resistance right here around the 34-cent level. But man, we can get out of this channel again. And ultimately back above the 618, which is about 30, which coincides perfectly with the mama in this business. So yeah, anything back above like 37.5 probably reignites this rally. Woohoo! Jesus Christ, man. Dogecoin. What's up? Damn, Scott, where the hell has Joe been at? Why he's been quiet? He hasn't been in here. He ain't saying shit in the chats. Like, where is he saying woohoo Doge? Because I know he loves Doge. That's one of his hodl positions. All right, 5 minutes. Hold on. Let's get back over to regulars before that market closes. And what do we got? Oh, the rut rolling over. Yeah, I already took that off. We don't need to look at that. Oops. MJNA, dude. I kind of want to... Man, look at that nice pop already off these lows. I was going to say, I kind of want to buy this dump, but I just don't want to play. It's just so risky down here. I don't know if I want to play the knife catching game today. I do like this consolidation on here, guys. This AHPI stock. Let's see. Does it have options? I do like that it's kind of just chilling right here. AHPI. Dang, it's not even on. There's no options on it. I see. AHPI. What is this, about 10% or so? Yeah, I mean, this isn't too bad a risk right here, because you know when you're wrong. Like, this is pure price action play, because there's no oscillators yet that are really showing any edge yet, quite yet. So, how many shares traded does this have? Not very much. It's pretty thin. Pretty thin. What's the spread like? Why is it doing that? Don't show this pop-up. Yeah, I don't want to see this. Yeah, like, why would I want to see that? Like, I know I'm about to open the order anyway. Don't show this pop-up, dude. Wait, yes, if I disagree. Wait, what? Yeah, no shit. I'm not trying to do that. Please be aware you're activating a feature that will enable you to create and transmit images in single click on these terms. Yeah, okay, cool, dude. Whatever, bro. I never tried to do that. What's the spread on this biatch? I can't even see. It won't even show me. Yeah, it's not very traded, so if you do trade this, don't do very large position. He's off the grid at Big Ben. He has no effing clue. Oh, he doesn't? Does he not have service out there? Does he literally not know that Dogecoin is Dude, he has to know Dogecoin is at 30 cents. Holy crap, that would be crazy if he doesn't, man. Well, he'll come back and be really excited, at least. I'm just going to go real tiny on this guy. Let's take a little stab at it down here. I'll expect to lose money on that guy, but hey, whatever. As long as it's holding this 425 area, we'll see what happens. Maybe we get lucky. Just trying not to overthink it. It's right at a base, and easy to manage. We'll just take a stab with small monies. All right. Decent bounce on Adam here. IPR. What's XLV? Man, just beautiful. I missed this one. I don't know why. I didn't add to that. When we go through here, that's something I'm trying to iron out with myself. Is like whenever we see these good setups, I just need to add it to my position, you know, and I can just adjust it with the size. Qubits. Qubits is interesting, chilling right here on top of this, man, 70% down too, guys. Interesting, interesting. Let's see, weekly. Weekly still looks pretty damn good. 2-day, not so great, and daily is like whatever, but, I mean, you do have the 200 simple and this right below it. Let's see if this has any options on it. Maybe we can... Qbut? No, wait. Qbit. Yeah, no options on that guy. Not really a big surprise. No idea. Holy shit, dude. That is hilarious. Because I know he's heavy in Doge. He's going to, like, as soon as he gets service, he's going to be like, "Ooh, fuck yeah. Fuck my job." Instead of like, "Shit, yeah, dude." He's like, "I'm a millionaire." Now, I don't know how much Doge he has, but it wouldn't surprise me. Let's see. What? What? This isn't the right one. QBT. Stock. Pink sheets. I guess I can't trade this one. Nope. Can't trade that one. Nope. Can't trade that one. Nope. Interactive Brokers pulls it up, but no open trades. It's an ineligible... Wow, this must be real garbage stock if Interactive Brokers doesn't even let you trade it. It says ineligible pink sheet. That's pretty rough. Looks like we just closed the market. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so we're done with all that. Added some fuel cell. I wanted to add some more Nokia, but oh well, missed the bell there. Kind of got a late start to today. I had to run some errands this morning, but that's okay. We'll add on some dips next week. Let's see here. Russell, yeah, rolling over. All right, so coming. I sold up here just because it's like, man, this little dumpage. It's gonna be hard to keep this momentum, and also in this range box that we're in, which I haven't drawn, but it's something about like this. So we're at the upper end of the range. Kind of just turned it into a range trade. I bought down here, scalped it up here. I will definitely go long if we break out above this box faux show next week with a quickness too. How do we close up on ES? Let's actually just look at the cash settled. Cash settled looks great. Weekly just looks like continuation. Weekly looks great on NDX too. Daily, nice bid up. I can't believe Joe has no idea. Rut's still chilling. I mean, it's trying to reset the oscillators here. It's doing an okay job on the daily, but it's really the 3 hour where you're starting to see Rut actually starting to look pretty damn good. Also in the cash index too. So there we go. Maybe it's finally gonna get out of this stupid wing pattern, whatever the shit it is. Dow Jones, great close, great weekly close. DJT, okay, not really great, but not really bad, just kind of neutral. VIX, murder fest on VIX. I mean, VIX just, and VVIX just is screaming, watch out, man. Something is looming around the corner. Like, VVIX is kind of concerning as it stayed bid all this week as we just ripped face off. So, man, VVIX is saying there's some type of weird sell-off looming around the corner. Missed opportunity to buy some, re-enter some TLT. I did want to do that. So, I don't think we'll be able to trade that now. Some stuff does trade 15 minutes after the bell. Like, I think SPY options do. Not all of them, but definitely some of them. Yeah. What does TLT look like? Yeah, TLT rejection right at this horizontal, coming back to test though. This is, I mean, that's a really good reset test right here. Yeah, F it. We'll just wait till tomorrow, see what, or till Sunday night, see what happens. What did Coinbase close the week at? Oh, bounced off these lows. Yeah, I was thinking about buying some a couple days ago, but just, I don't know. Just wait for it to play out. We're just in this stupid range right here. It's only 7%. It's like, kind of lackluster. This is like a shit coin, guys. Gets listed, dumps on everybody's face. But bonds though looks pretty good. Shanghai looks really good. Nice close. The DAX is what really looked awesome. I mean, the DAX closing up like this. This is telling me we're about to rally pretty hard next week, most likely. But yeah, dude, that VVIX chart is just concerning. Gold, silver. Look at this. Man, look where gold's about to close. 1776. What's up? What's up? Beautiful. Beautiful close for gold today. I love it. Love everything about it. Right up on here. Probably get a little bit of a pullback in this area, but man, y'all know I've been in buy the dip mode on gold, and I'm still holding some gold, and this just looks great. Lovely, lovely chart. Even have a newfound trend line that's formed here with a trend line cross right at the support. Man, this is great. This is really, really good confluence for continuation as long as it's holding about 1750-ish. This looks really awesome on gold. Platinum also looks pretty good. Not as good as gold. A little more sloppy right in the middle of the range. But still looks pretty decent on the bounce there. Silver got up to the top here. Getting a little rejected, but still looks perfectly fine. Gold's the one kind of taking the cake right now in the precious metals. How did Bitcoin futures? How are they going to close this week? kind of whatever candle. It did give up half of it, so it's not the prettiest candle, but it's kind of whatever too. And oil, what did oil do? Yeah, kind of just chilling up here, so nothing too crazy. Coin is like master or micro strategy. It just looks like it says master from 2021. What did that do? So let's go look at the blockchain stuff. Oh my god, dude, why is this continuing to sell off? Like, what the hell, man? Coin is like master from 2001. You're talking about the mega dump fest that Michael Saylor did on everybody's fucking ass. Is this what you're talking about? Yeah, brutal. Oh, look, Michael Saylor's a genius. Yeah, totally. Yeah, this looks terrible, dude. This is a hard rejection from the underbelly of the trend line and the mama and a breakout. This is like a false breakout. Generally, fast moves in the opposite direction come from this. And, you know, why is this not rallying with... oh, look at InView. Nice bounce today off that big sell-off. But, yeah, Riot's not playing. It's about to break down on the lows. Master ain't playing. HV isn't playing. Like, none of these are playing ball with this shit. Like, Marathon probably looks the best. It's not in a shitty structure. It's still making higher highs, higher lows, so that one's all right. But, I mean, all these other ones, HODL looks terrible. Coin looks okay. And this other coin, not enough data to really tell yet. But, yeah, I don't know. Kind of interesting that none of these are playing ball with Mama Bear. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not my favorite thing. Are vaccinations coming back? Probably. Yeah, here they are. Rallying hard. Lows. Boom. Oh, wow. Look at mRNA, dudes. Wow. Whoa. I guess vaccine hype, dude, is real. Jesus. Shitballs. Holy crap, dude. The hell is this? Yeah, we've been watching these. I totally forgot to look at them the last couple of days, but my God, great setups on the 3 hour like a week ago, and just massive pumping, like 50% gains on this shit. You know, we looked at Pfizer and saw that and got this one. Of course, it's the smallest freaking one to move. CVAC is actually just reset too. Wow, dude. So CVAC just caught up and are looking like buys on dips now. What the yeah, whatever, man. I don't know. I guess Corona hype is coming back. I do know in India and somewhere else they're getting a shit ton of cases. They must have cranked up those cycles. All right, let's see. Yeah, nothing there. We don't even need to look at that because all that shit's over. Let's go over here and look at the coins. Anything? Verge kicking ass. Very nice, Verge. See a coin kicking some ass. Man, Bitcoin Cash, lovely, lovely move. Awesome, awesome move. Super sexy time. Yeah, I mean, a lot of pumping today. What is Bitcoin dominance at? Damn, falling off a cliff. Almost going to go sub 50. These altcoins are really giving it a run for its money. That's for sure. Hey, look at this. Altcoins over $1 trillion. Man, altcoins are just going to, like, match up Bitcoin's market cap. That would be crazy. What is Bitcoin's market cap now? Isn't it on here? No, it's not on here. No. Well, it'll be on here. A lot. Oh, it's still barely just hanging out right over $1 trillion. Okay, so I thought it'd be higher than that. All right. Bitcoin bouncing off here nicely. That looks okay so far. Really need to get back above this local high, though. Or we do have some of that pressure. That damn pressure. Damn, great moves in some of these coins today. Dash is a impressive move today. Very sexy. Look at this, riding up that 10 simple like the Jesus man. Let's look at Filecoin. One of our buddies was all about Filecoin. Did do a little pumpity pump yesterday and has given it all back up. Maybe re-opportunity zone right here, though, coming back to test the breakout zone to see if it's valid or not. So, hey, that's kind of good. That's kind of good. Crack time frames. A little bit sloppy, but still pretty nice, riding at 200. Yeah, shit, this might be a re-opportunity zone right here. I do like each one of these tails on the candle has come higher, so that's nice. Yeah, shit, Filecoin actually looks kind of good on this retest. Let's see, what would be some targets on Filecoin? Let's do some fib extensions. Down, we'll be a little conservative. The 1618 is about 243. And then a little one at 220, and then we'll just split the difference of the, fuck it, we'll put both of them on there, whatever, it takes 5 seconds to click it. Bam, all right. So yeah, I mean, Filecoin actually looks pretty damn good right here. Not too shabby. I might go nibble on that actually right now. Right now. Just trying to not overthink it. You know what I'm saying, dog? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. File. Yeah, what's like kind of the risk on this? Roughly 5-ish%. Really anything below like 172, 173, I'd probably be like, well, that's probably done. All right, US. Yeah, come on. There you go. You can do it. We'll just go a little small right now. We'll just nibble a little bit. We'll just nibble, see what happens. All right, got a little bit of file there on that dip. What time is it? When does the Metro Auto Auction close? Hold on, this is totally not related to what is it? 6 p.m. is the preview time. Okay, I'm gonna start getting into flipping some cars again. I used to do it on and off for a while. I haven't done I did one earlier in the year, and I did a couple last year, but I've been wanting to focus some more energy on that. And so just kind of diversifying some of my income sources, you know. What didn't do good today? KuCoin is getting no love. No love for Ku. It's been just dump fest. Finally, maybe finding support at the 21 EMA. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know, man. It doesn't look very good. Yeah, it doesn't look very good at all. I mean, we got it did bounce nice off this cluster, though. So that is one decent good thing about it. Let's see. Yeah, not even any good target entries on the crack time frame, though. So, yeah, not very sexy there, KuCoin. What are you doing, bruh? Pundy new? What? What? Huh? What happened to Pundy X? Is Pundy new? Pundy X new? What? What the hell? Alright, well. It's the new version of Pundy X. Oh, yes, it is the new version of Pundy X. Why did it do that? I have no idea. Because isn't Pundy X NXPS? No, or NPS XS or something? Shit, I don't remember. Yeah. So what's up with that? Why did they fork it? It's the new version? Guess so. Super ugly chart. I ain't touching that shit. Let's just go away from that. H-bar also not getting no love in this run. H-bar has actually been kind of like... It was super hyped up before, but... it's just really struggling to do anything. It's not bearish. It's not bullish. It's just trapped in this range, you know, from 29 to like 40 cents. It's just chilling, man. Let's see, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it looked really good, but now we're on the bottom edge. I mean, we're like last of the Mohicans. I mean, we are getting bid up in the low 30s, so I mean, that's kind of good, but not really great. Just kind of whatever. Ku doesn't want to play Moonball. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Oh, Doge. There you go. Bouncing off that low. Let's go, Doge. Yeah, boy, re-entered at that 30 cent level. Look, it only was there for like not even 7 minutes. I bought in this candle earlier on the stream. Because I was like, man, we're just coming back to this major support fib extension. Fib bots trade off of fibs. Like hardcore. They program the shit out of fibs and Fibonacci and bots. So it's like consolidation, test. Now, do we get rejected over here? Maybe, but we are breaking out of the consolidation zone. But it does definitely need to get probably back above this, what did we say earlier? This 36.5, like 37, really. Man, back over 37, especially on like a 3-hour close, which looks like, yeah, and even the 3 hours agreeing with that same price action. So any closure back above 37 cent, this thing is probably gonna it's probably gonna moon some more. Wow. Crazy. Absolute bananas, man. Absolute bananas. All right, I guess I can close my broker account because we ain't trading nothing on there anymore. Because they want to close like some punks. Unlike the crypto world, the real traders. What else do we got? Nothing really. I don't know, man. It's probably, unless y'all have something to look at, or maybe if anyone's found anything that possibly looks sexy, please throw it in the troll box, por favor. But right now, it's kind of, near protocol. And it's funny, some of these down days, but then you look at the weekly and it's like big, bright green dillies. Except for H-bar. What's Raven doing? Raven had a pretty nice run the other day, but oh my gosh, he gave it all up. Jeez. Maybe re-opportunity zone. Raven does like to come back into the 55 a lot more than most coins. And it is bouncing right off the mama here. So possibly just a retest to kind of some breakout levels. So, I mean, Raven might be opportunity right here, actually. Especially if it holds this body, and like to really see it hold the 20 cent area. I mean, it can go down. Yeah, that's actually right at 20 cents. Okay, cool. So yeah, if it can kind of hold 20 cents here, let's zoom in, see if we get any position action on. Yeah, possibly. If this can start rallying up a little bit, it actually doesn't look that bad. About a 5% risk on the crack time frame. Yeah, so maybe Raven's got something coming in. You want to look at the BSV channel? Oh, yeah, you must be late, bro. We already did that, okay? No, of course we can look at it. I'm just giving you a hard time. BSV channel, lovely action, like the Jesus, man. This voodoo shit works sometimes. And my buddy, dude, I hope he's in here and listening. But, dude, stop overthinking trades, bruh. It's easy to make money in this market, dude. Come on. Buy dips. That's it. It's the retardedest thing. I know. I don't like it either. But, hey, this is how it is. This is the market we live in right now. BSV, though, coming up. Jesus, man. Riding up that 21 EMA. Coming over the targeted middle part of the channel. Coming back to retest it. This looks pretty damn sexy. Daily, kind of ugly. I'd like to see the daily close over that middle part of the channel. That would be a lot more sexy. But on the 3 hour, this looks pretty damn good for a little bit of a retest. And lots of volume on this candle. Most since back over here. So do need to be a little bit careful. It is above it, though, so that is nice. We don't want to get something like this, though, where we start getting rejections from that middle point, which could definitely happen. Let's see how it reacted the last few times. Okay, so look at this. We got something maybe similar back in 2019. This could be a fractal happening, kind of retest into the 10 simple, providing that support on the 10 simple, and actually forced it up to go to the top end of the channel. So if we kind of see that previous behavior, same thing here. Look at that. Boom, bam, waits for the 10 simple to catch up. And then parties. Are we going to have something similar to that? Yeah, we definitely could. Let's see. We got about 280. So about 20 bucks. So it'd be up to tomorrow. It'll be around probably in the box area. And then the next day. Yeah, actually, we could totally do that. It's very much in the cards, holding that 380 area and letting this ride up a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, BSV could totally be on a target for $800. That's another double up from here, too, which is crazy. But hell, whatever. This market's insane, bruh. Bruh. What is it? How is it?
Bruh.
Yeah. It looks okay though. I'd probably use this crack time frames, and this is where crack time frames are very valuable for honing in and sniping entries, right? So if you have like a long term chart and you're like, oh, obviously this shit's bullish as hell on the long term chart. Oh, and it's bullish as hell on the 3 hour and the weekly and the everything, right? So now you know you're looking for long entries, so you can use the crack time frames to pinpoint safer long entries. That's how I like to use them. I don't like to trade off of them particularly. Like, you can scalp with them and stuff like that. And if you do that, then you definitely need to use some kind of ATR or range metric, maybe Draconian. They're not Draconian channels, but they sound almost like it. What the hell are they called? Drac channels. I can't remember the damn Droke channels. Something channels. There it is. Well, however you say this, Donchian channels, or Kettler's work too. Just something to give you kind of like range-bound information. Oh, man, I might actually buy this little dip right here. It's only about 7%. Let's see if we can get... I just like how it's hovering right on the level here. But anyway, I digress. Pinpointing using the low time frames, what you can do is wait for the reset of the oscillators like this, how we like to see, and then you can pinpoint your target a lot better in your entries instead of maybe possibly getting shaken out, and then you just wait for them to all turn up, and then you got safer entries like right here, right? And you're like, oh, okay. So that's a way to use them. I do like that this is just hovering right around this level. So I think I'm actually going to nibble just a little bit on this. Really small, though. And then I'll make it probably a full position over time if this is going to play out like BSV has in the past after getting to the mid-range here. So, like I said, I'm just going to start a little bit small. Network error. What? Don't you network error me. Oh, yeah, I gotta go to a different place to do that. Stupid BSV. Wish it was on more exchanges. But that one looks pretty good, though. I likes it. Me likey. Oh, my God, it's already 3:30. Jesus, I need to go look at some cars real quick. Let's see. Sorry, I got a message from the mama. All right, just getting distracted here. Need to log in to another thing. Ba-dow, ba-dow. right. Yeah, so BSV, pretty nice and sexy action, though. So, very, very good. Very good, very nice. Alright, I think I'm going to wrap it up. I need to go look at a couple things and get ready for work and stuff. And, do those kind of crap. Alright, let's go look at Doge real quick, see what it did. Oh, look at that. It almost hit 37 and got rejected. So price is, so right there, price is showing that there is that resistance right at that 37 mark. So confirming what we were literally just talking about 15 minutes ago. Reiterating it. Ironcladding it. Oh, sorry, I'm logging into this other thing real fast. Trying to remember. I gotta go through my damn password list. I don't remember them all the time. Too many damn logins. Come on. Is that it? That's all you want to do? Cool. Incorrect password. What? Oh, yeah, that is not the right password. I hate captchas. They're so lame. Alright, where's this at for? Alright, let's see. Let's see if Doge is kind of breaking out of here. I mean, technically, this is a breakout of this channel on the cracked time frames. It doesn't matter what kind of time frame you use. Like, all the patterns are kind of the same, but... well, what is this? Oh, I see. I get. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go trade. BS Vizzle. Yeah, I know. You know, it's like they tell me every time. Got that. All right, let's see. FTC, Feathercoin, man. All right, we'll do those real quick, and then I'm going to sign off. Feathercoin's old school, baby. I think you brought this up not too long ago, didn't you? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, my gosh, it's not very traded. Oh, Feathercoin. Looks okay. I mean, it does technically have the short-term moving averages pointing up. Resistance on the mama, though. 3 hours, real sloppy on the 3 hour. Definitely needs to get back above 4 cents to kind of get exciting. A lot of resistance at 4.5 pennies. Weekly does look really good though. Comes up, tests the 200 weekly, gets rejected, which is very typical for liquidation break, but it is coming right back into the zone here that we love to see on our style on the show, and it's testing right here. Actually, Feathercoin looks kind of good on the weekly, to be fair. What's kind of this risk here on the daily you could use? Yeah, it's pretty far, 20% down. You'd have to kind of give yourself that wiggle room on this guy. Otherwise, you could easily get snaked out. Maybe you could do like crack time frames and do like 10%, but if you're using the daily off, you know, because the weekly is super bullish. Yeah, so you got to kind of have to at least, I think, give yourself 15-ish% on this. But don't listen to me. I don't know shit. Hold on here real quick. Hold on. I'm going to go do a little nibbly. Nibbly. It's that nibbly lop. All right, yeah, so actually this one doesn't look too bad. The weekly's really sexy. 2 days okay. 3 days all right, but the weekly is what's really shining on this guy at the moment. So, yeah, not too bad, though. I mean, because if, yeah, you're risking 20-30% to the downside, like in the max case scenario, but I mean, your upside is probably, yeah, your upside's like 50 to 100% on this. So, You know, that's risk to reward wise on RR numbers. That's really nothing. Yeah, I mean, just to retest all-time highs, you're pretty much at a 3-to-1 on that. And then if it wants to really get the party started and get like 2018 style, let's take some fib action. You're looking probably at 11, 12 cents as the first target. And then there'll be probably another pullback from there. And then ultimately the 786 after that. But yeah, I mean, actually not too bad, man. XDN. The digital note. Yeah, you always be pulling. You love that Bittrex coins, don't you? I guess it makes sense, though, for America. Looks pretty decent. Pretty thinly traded, it looks like, though. Weekly looks pretty damn sexy, consolidating up here at the 200. EMA is really nice. Yeah, I mean, this is very thinly traded, though. I mean, look at this. That just to the EMA from price right now is 40%. So this is a pretty hard one to manage risk on. I mean, even these wicks are like 15%. So, you know, do be aware that this is going to be kind of brutal trading. But I do like that it's consolidating over this previous 2017 zone. That's pretty damn sexy, to be fair. I mean, and this is micro pennies, so... You know, this thing does have lots of room, but man, you know, the reward could be high. You could easily come up here to like $0.015, which is 200% over. So that's still like a 3-to-1 risk to reward on that. But yeah, definitely high risk trade on this guy for sure. So just be kind of careful with that. Or do whatever the hell you want. I don't care. Go all in with it. Doesn't matter to me. I would be very careful with it, I should say. Let's see. It's like 5 sats a piece. That's like red coin. Is red coin still traded? Yeah, look at that. On Bittrex. What's up, red coin? Dude, I mined the shit out of this back in the day. That was great. Let's see. Wow, red coin kicking ass. Coming back. Retest breakout zone. Rallying up. Another 80% over the last month. How about the weekly? Weekly looks pretty damn good. Look at this pump, 1,400. What are we at now? 600. I mean, this chart actually does look really good. Red coin, not too shabby. Big pump today. Wow, 41%. Wish I would have saw this yesterday. Nice retest of the breakout zone and the 55. Very beautiful. Back above 0.8 cents, man. This thing is probably going to run really hard. The weekly looks really good. The weekly looks like it wants a penny and possibly higher, but it looks like it wants to get to a penny, though, on red coin. Maybe we'll add that to the watch list just for shits and giggles. And XDN. All right, cool. I got to sign off here. So, Bitcoin looking good. So far, getting a decent bounce off that 61K area. That's critical we hold that. It is looking a little bit heavy. Bears do have dominance on the low time frames DMI, and until we really get back above this intermediate trend line, it is a little bit iced up on the low time frames for the rally. Kind of getting rejected. Daily still looks okay. But yeah, starting to get a little bit of weight pushed on that, and you can see that futures are agreeing with it as well, and they have actually broken their trend line. So futures are actually a little bit more bearish, and I do weigh the futures more. So again, I would not be surprised to see a big sell-off like this weekend, like maybe late tonight, early morning Saturday, because that happens a lot in these big run-ups. We'll see Saturday sell-offs, and then they'll kind of just stall out in the evening and then get bid up in the Asian session early morning on Sunday. So I could totally see that happening. And we'll just have to kind of just wait and see. But Ethereum still looks perfectly fine above 2,400. Had a little fake out here. Actually, kind of a big fake out here. Wow. That's a big wick. But got bid up really quick, all back above the business. So really confirming that 2,400 level is very important. And Ethereum doesn't look as bearish as Bitcoin. So that's cool. And equities, we already kind of did that and all that kind of stuff. Doge, oh shit, look at Doge. Oh my God, back over 7. There it is, right over 37 cents. I mean, this looks like it wants continuation now. Above 35 cent. Absolute insanity, guys. Hey, but awesome to everybody who's been trading Doge. Yeah, I'll try to do that. I'll send him some gorilla jimmies. But pretty impressive for Doge, man. Congrats on anybody that's been playing this, man. It's lovely to see. Never thought it was kind of we thought it could do up to $1 maybe and get pumped. We were super bullish on Doge all through the last most of March and definitely in the very beginning of April. It just had the sexiest damn setup and it has rewarded everybody. So let's see what happens now. Maybe we'll just start turning into consolidation over the 30 cent level or maybe even 20-30 cents. But do be cautious of Doge because Doge will give up the gains just as fast as it got them. So I was surprised that it hovered this long up here. That was what was so bullish about it when you just have price consolidated at the upper end of the range. And you can see, though, in the past, Doge usually does just dump that crap in your face. And this is Poloni X. Yeah, so lots of pumps and dumps in this guy. But, man, it's so far up here. I don't know, guys. If Doge is really going to start being used as a currency, I mean, is penny Doge, like single-digit cent Doge, like the floor now? Like that totally could be a thing now. Well, only time will tell, and we'll see. Awesome. Y'all have a great weekend, guys. Much love. We'll see y'all tomorrow for a crypto-only show. And have an awesome, wonderful Friday night. Much love. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
Game over.